Welcome, kids. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's continue on with our English alphabet. Let's review our lesson last week, the letter I. Big letter I, small letter I is for igloo. Igloo. Let's review our English chant. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Ice cream is yummy. Ice cream is yummy. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. In my tummy. In my tummy. I like ice cream. Ice cream is yummy. I like ice cream. In my tummy. Let's review the words we learned last week. An ice. What is this? What is this? This is an ice. An igloo. What is this? What is this? This is an igloo. An ink. What is this? What is this? This is an ink. Let's have more. An insect. What is this? What is this? This is an insect. An infant. What is this? What is this? This is an infant. An iron. What is this? What is this? This is an iron. Okay? Now today we will learn about the letter J. Big letter J. Small letter J is for jar. Jar. Again, please. Big letter J. Small letter J is for jar. Jar. Let's learn our English chant. Juggle, juggle. Juggle, juggle. A little ball. A little ball. Makes them jolly. Makes them jolly. When they fall. When they fall. Again, please. Juggle, juggle. A little ball. Makes them jolly. When they fall. Okay, let's learn new words today. Start with the letter J. A jump. A jump. What is that? What is that? That is a jump. A jacket. A jacket. What is that? What is that? That is a jacket. A jelly. A jelly. What is that? What is that? That is a jelly. Again, please. A jam. What is that? That is a jam. A jacket. What is that? That is a jacket. A jelly. What is that? That is a jelly. Okay, let's have more words. A jellyfish. A jellyfish. What is that? What is that? That is a jellyfish. That is a jellyfish. A jet. A jet. What is that? What is that? That is a jet. That is a jet. A juice. A juice. What is that? What is that? That is a juice. Okay, let's repeat again. A jellyfish. What is that? That is a jellyfish. A jet. A jet. What is that? What is that? That is a jet. That is a jet. A juice. What is that? What is that? That is a juice. Very good. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.